It is time for your True Real Estate 911 midweek update with your local real estate pro, Lisa Treu. Lisa, there are certain things that a home maybe needs to have done in order to put it in the best possible position to sell for the highest price. And then there are other things that are just not going to be a good return on investment and don't make a lot of sense. Tell us about this.
Yes, Brian, not all money spent is going to get the same ROI. The best thing you can do is have it organized, clean, and if it needs a fresh coat of paint, that is a great investment. Two of the three things actually don't cost any money other than just your time to get things looking really amazing. Now, if you did a kitchen improvement 10 years ago, that money is not going to come back to you. And even a brand new kitchen today with the perfect selections, you're only going to get about 60% of that spend back to you. Now, it'll make it more saleable, but you're not going to see all of the money come back to you in the sale.
That is really instructive because I think most people are like, well, that's going to be the key selling point. This, I suppose, is why it's really important for us to bring you in so you can take a look at what's going on, and that where there's subjectivity, you'll be able to fill in those blanks with what we need.
Yes, and definitely talk to me before you spend a lot of money. Don't ever make long-term contract commitments for the next buyer without talking to me. Things like solar, we have to be very careful with those type of decisions that pass along to the buyer.
The Treus are here to help you. Same way that they've helped Glenn Beck, the same way that they've helped me and so many listeners over the years. Be next. Get it right. Call 561-972-8326. Visit TrueRealEstate911.com or just Google Treu Group. That's TREU Group.